Climate change has resulted that natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense around the world. This means that the need for safer, flexible, and more resilient construction materials is more critical than ever before. Steel offers powerful solutions and is critical in protecting and helping communities recover thanks to its core strengths. Steel's high strength allows tall buildings and bridges to resist heavy loads, strong winds and storms, and other hazards. It bends without breaking, absorbing shocks and preventing collapse. Steel stays strong for decades, even in extreme conditions. It can be recycled endlessly, reducing waste and supporting a circular economy. Prefabricated and lightweight, steel speeds up construction and recovery. With modern treatments, steel resists rust and corrosion, staying strong even in harsh climates. From earthquake dampers to landslide barriers, flood defenses to fire-safe structures, steel provides protection where it's needed most. And with modular shelters, post-disaster relief can arrive fast, while durability supports long-term recovery. Our second edition of the Disaster Prevention and Restoration Guidebook brings Construct Steel member solutions and innovations together, offering steel solutions for earthquakes, landslides, tsunamis, floods, storms, fires, extreme temperatures, and even pandemics. It's a resource for safer, stronger buildings, bridges, and infrastructure. Download the second edition of the Guidebook today to see how steel helps build a safer, more resilient future.